What's up guys, we're here at the Windmill Food Hall in Carlsbad, and today we're going to show you the top 3 properties on the caravan. Stay tuned. Let's start at this exclusive new construction listed by Caitlin, Petrush, and Kevin Dunn in the community of Grand Jefferson, located at the heart of Carlsbad Village. Welcome to 790 Grand Avenue. This corner unit is situated on the 3rd floor and is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,112 square foot condo priced at $2.449 million. Step inside to the modern floor plan with upgraded interior designs throughout the entire condo, accompanied with an abundance of natural light and a soaring 11-foot ceiling. Next, we head right upstairs to the 4th level to see another listing by Caitlin and Kevin. This is one-of-a-kind penthouse priced at $5.4 million. With over 7,400 square feet, this smart home equipped living space features premium finishes throughout the 3,418 square foot, 4-bed, 3.5 bath interior. Step outside to the rooftop sky deck with incredible 360-degree views of the oceans, mountains, and city lights. Our next property today brings us a few miles south to the neighborhood of La Costa to Nikol Klein's listing. This turnkey, single-level home is located steps from the world-renowned Omni La Costa Resort and Golf Course and is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,710 square foot home priced at $2.199 million. A thoughtfully upgraded ranch-style home with vaulted wood beam ceilings. Seamlessly step outside to the backyard to enjoy the outdoor fireplace, waterfall fountain, and an outdoor barbecue for you and your guests to enjoy. Lastly, let's head over to 3490 Camino Corte, priced at $1.899 million and listed by Kelly Carter. This beautiful home sits on a corner lot and is walking distance to La Costa Canyon High School. Step inside to this 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,863 square foot home and be warmly greeted by tile floors, fresh paint, see-through fireplace, and tons of natural light. Love to garden? This private backyard offers plentiful space for gardening and entertaining. I hope you enjoyed these properties as much as I did. If you have any questions about these homes or any other homes in San Diego County, please don't hesitate to reach out anytime. My number is 619-888-9333. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.